Have you ever wondered how to start plants from seeds? It's a cost-effective process, and for gardening enthusiasts, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of watching a tiny seed grow into a thriving plant. In this 2-minute guide, you'll learn how to start your own plants from seeds. First things first, you need to gather your materials. The essentials for starting plants from seeds include seeds, pots, or seed trays, a potting mix, a watering can, and either a sunny windowsill or a grow light. Once you have all these materials, you're ready to start planting. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and plant those seeds. Start by filling your pots with potting mix, leaving some space at the top. Then, gently place the seeds on the surface of the soil. Cover them with a thin layer of potting mix. And remember, it's crucial not to bury them too deep. Next, water them gently. Be careful not to wash away the seeds. After planting your seeds, place them in a sunny windowsill or under a grow light. Once your seeds are planted, they'll need some care to help them grow. It's crucial to maintain a balance, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can be harmful. Also, it's important to provide your burgeoning seedlings with plenty of light. They're like sunbathers, soaking up those rays for growth. If your green babies become too crowded, don't hesitate to thin them out. It's all about giving them the space they need to flourish. With proper aftercare, you'll soon see your seeds sprouting into healthy, thriving plants. Starting plants from seeds is a rewarding process that any gardening enthusiast can enjoy. Remember, gather your materials, plant your seeds with care, and provide the necessary aftercare. It's that simple. By following these steps, you'll be able to nurture a seed into a thriving plant. Not only is this a fulfilling hobby, but you'll also be contributing to the environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!